Standing by for the handoff to Discovery's computers. T-minus 31 seconds. The handoff has occurred. Discovery's computers now controlling.
25.
Firing chain is armed.
20.
Sound suppressor water system is being activated.
15.
Range station systems armed. T-minus 10 seconds. Go for main engine start. 7, 6, 5. 3 engines up and burning. 3, 2, 1. And liftoff of Space Shuttle Discovery, beginning America's new journey to the moon, Mars, and beyond. And the vehicle has cleared the tower.
Houston's now controlling. Commander Eileen Collins confirming Discovery's rolling onto a course for rendezvous with the International Space Station. Seconds since launch, Discovery's already traveling 400 miles per hour. Altitude 12,000 feet. This a view from a camera mounted on Discovery's external fuel tank. 3 engines on Discovery are now throttling down to 2/3 throttle to prepare the spacecraft to pass through the area of maximum air pressure and go supersonic. One minute since launch, Discovery speed now 900 miles per hour.
Discovery Houston, go at throttle up.
Discovery, just go with throttle.
All systems remain go for Discovery. Altitude now 9 miles, 6 miles northeast of the launch pad. One and a half minutes since launch, Discovery's already consumed more than 2.25 million pounds of propellant. It weighs less than half of what it did at liftoff. Speed now 2,000 miles per hour. Altitude 18 miles, 14 miles northeast of the Kennedy Space Center. Standing by now for burnout and jettison of the twin solid rockets. Booster officer confirms clean separation of the solid rocket boosters. Discovery now on its 3 main engines, second stage. Speed now 3,030 miles per hour. Altitude 33 miles, 40 miles downrange from the Kennedy Space Center. Discovery's orbital maneuvering system engines are now firing to assist its climb to orbit. They'll fire for about 2 minutes and 19 seconds. This again a view from camera on the external fuel tank for Discovery.
Discovery Houston, 2 engine Zaragoza.
They go well. Altitude 67 miles, 350 miles northeast of the Kennedy Space Center. Discovery speed now 9,200 miles per hour. Discovery's rolling to a heads-up position now to assist its performance as it finishes its ascent to orbit.
Discovery Houston, press to MECO and single engine Zaragoza 104.
Press to MECO and single engine Zaragoza 104.
Those calls that Discovery could reach its planned orbit on only 2 engines if needed, all 3. 700 miles northeast of the Kennedy Space Center. 30 seconds to cut off of the main engines. Discovery speed now 16,000 miles per hour. Standing by for cutoff Discovery's 3 main engines. Booster officer confirms main engine cutoff for Discovery. Standing by now for jettison of the external fuel tank. Booster officer confirms main engine cutoff for Discovery. Standing by now for jettison of the external fuel tank. Standing by now for jettison of the external fuel tank. Standing by now for jettison of the external fuel tank. Standing by now for jettison of the external fuel tank. Standing by now for jettison of the external fuel tank. Standing by now for jettison of the external fuel tank. Standing by now for jettison of the external fuel tank. Standing by now for jettison of the external fuel tank. Standing by now for jettison of the external fuel tank. Standing by now for jettison of the external fuel tank. Standing by now for jettison of the external fuel tank. Standing by now for jettison of the external fuel tank. Standing by now for jettison of the external fuel tank. Standing by now for jettison of the external fuel tank. Standing by now for jettison of the external fuel tank. Standing by now for jettison of the external fuel tank. Standing by now for jettison of the external fuel tank. Standing by now for Live television as Discovery jettisons external fuel tank. All normal with the cutoff of Discovery's main engines. Discovery performing a maneuver to fire its jets and ensure clean separation from the tank.
Discovery, we have a good plus X maneuver.
Copy the good plus X. We saw a...
Now Commander Eileen Collins in control of Discovery's approach. Discovery approaching a final turn to align with the runway, a right overhead 197-degree turn. Discovery's altitude 30,000 feet. Discovery's descent to the runway 20 times steeper than that of a standard commercial airliner's descent. Discovery now banking to the right as it begins final turn to align with the runway. Wings angled 50 degrees.
At the 180.
Discovery, on at the 180.
That call that Discovery is on course with 180 degrees left to go and its turn to align with runway 22. Altitude 22,000 feet.
Discovery Houston, on at the 90.
Discovery, on at the 90.
Altitude 17,000 feet. Just over 10 miles to touchdown for Discovery.
Houston, Discovery has the runway in sight.
Copy runway.
This is a view from the heads-up display for pilot Jim Kelly. A live view out the forward windows, looking down at Edwards Air Force Base. Discovery rolling on to align with the runway. Altitude 7,000 feet. Altitude 5,000 feet. Discovery descending through 3,000 feet, 3 miles to touchdown. (1,000 feet). Landing gears down and locked. Main gear touchdown. Drag chute deploy. Nose gear touchdown. And Discovery is home.
Houston, Discovery, wheel stop.
Roger, wheel stop, Discovery, and congratulations on a truly spectacular test flight. Stevie Ray, Suichi, Andy, Vegas, Charlie, Wendy, and Eileen, welcome home, friends.
And thank you. Those are great words to hear. We're happy to be back, and we congratulate the whole team for a job well done. We're going to page 5-3.
And we'll meet you there.